We're gonna take our emptied cookie tin and our red cherry spray paint, and we're gonna give this a paint job. Make sure to come in with our lid and do that as well. All right, these are painted and they're dry. I'm gonna come in with my stencil, and we have our pure white spray paint because we want a white snowflake. And then we're gonna do it on the sides of our cookie tin. All right, let's reveal our snowflake. All right, and we got our snowflake on the side of our tin. All right, we're gonna take our flour foam and put it in our aluminum tin, grab our water, and we're gonna start soaking our flour foam in our water. We have our spray painted snowflakes drying in the backyard, so now we need to make sure that these get fully soaked so that they are ready for our holiday gift. All right, we're gonna move this aside, bring in the bottom of our cookie tin, bring in our flour foam, and we wanna squish that right into our cookie tin, just like so. One more time with our other one. Perfect. Let's come in with some roses and cut them and add them to our flour foam. We're gonna fluff this up with some baby's breath. Just have it kind of encase those roses. That's what really makes a beautiful bouquet. A little here and there. All right, and of course, all flower arrangements need some greenery. And we're just snugging those right along our roses. They're just gonna wrap around our arrangement as a fun little add-on. Flip your lid around. Grab a wooden dowel that you've cut, and we're gonna go ahead and on the opposite edge, we're gonna add a generous amount of hot glue and stick our dowel right in there. That is set. We're gonna stick our wooden dowel into our flour foam at an angle. Beautiful. And then to cover up that dowel, I just made a cute little Christmas bow that we're gonna hot glue. All right, that's secured. And now our beautiful holiday gift is ready to be received. So beautiful, so easy, and homemade, a gorgeous flower arrangement for your holiday table.